What's up guys, it's Viper, and today we're gonna play some Flappy Retarded Bird episode 2. I know you guys liking it. Let's continue slapping that like button and subscribe button. Let's begin. Okay, Flappy. Let's go. Hello Flappy, I promise you Flappy. If you guys could do me a favor, Flappy. And camera. Okay, Flappy. Normal. Flappy. No, Flappy. Oh my god, Flappy. You embarrassed me in front of everyone. Oh, come on, Flappy. Alright, Flappy. Let's show everyone that we are the boss. You quick call me Viper Flap. Viperize and Flap. Oh my god, no. Oh my goodness. I've hit it. Wow, my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Flappy. Flappy, you're my bro. Oh, come on, Flappy. Flappy, you shy me. Flappy, let's try to make 6. 6 Flappy. That's my achievement for the day. Let's try to make 6. Prove everyone that I could put in Flappy words. Oh, Flappy! Yo, the boss! Oh my goodness, Flappy! Oh my goodness, you were so far. 10, Flappy! 10! Oh my goodness, Flappy! What's the difference between the birds? Why different colors? Is it do they have special powers? Oh no! Oh! Alright, Flappy. 2 more turns before I rage quit. This game is getting me so angry. Flappy. Oh my goodness. Flappy, what are you doing? Sorry guys if you see the pipes kinda laggy because my recording is giving a little trouble. So, hope you guys still like the video. Subscribe. I had 2 subscribers. Let's continue making more. So, oh, Flappy, you're gonna be the high score, Flappy? You're gonna be 10? No! The lag! Flappy, why? Flappy was so close to making 11. How much Flappy words are there? Wait a minute. Flappy, guys, I think this game, you can hack this game because, watch this. Guys, come on, Flappy, what are you doing? No, cancel. Come on, what are you doing? Why do I have to connect? Forget it. Okay. This is the last chance, Flappy. Let's make it awesome. Make the end of the video the best part of the video. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, Flappy, you shame me. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Slap that like button and subscribe to show your support. And later.